As they say, chefs don't make mistakes, they create new dishes. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. We have with us the winner of first Master Chef of India, Pankaj Bhadoria ji. She's a mother, an entrepreneur, TEDx speaker and an author. आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है पंकज जी.
Thank you so much, Rashi, for inviting me over, and it's lovely to be able to speak to all of you.
Pankaj ji, please share with us about your journey from an educator to a master chef, life after master chef. Had you ever thought of it?
No, of course. Nobody had ever thought of something like this happening all of a sudden in our lives. And so as far as journey from an educator to master chef is concerned, let me first tell you, I'm still an educator. I'm still taking classes. I have a culinary academy where I'm sharing my love, for this passion for cooking with everybody. And not just sharing that, but we are producing chefs from the academy, and that's something I feel very happy about. So as far as being an educator is concerned, I'm still that. But yes, I get where you're coming from, that from being a school teacher to the master chef. So all of this just happened one summer vacation afternoon, and there was an advertisement on the channel, inviting home chefs to come and participate and send in their entries. That's how I ended up auditioning for the show. Cleared 4 rounds of auditions in my own city, then 3 in Mumbai, and that's how we went on to become one of the top 12, and then the rest is history. But yes, something like this had never been imagined, of course, because for one thing, there was nothing like this ever before. So far we'd had contests for singing, dancing, even your acting talents, but nothing remotely, or closely related to cookery. Because for one thing, cookery is something that will happen on screen and people can't judge it because they can't taste it or they can't, smell it. So whether something like this would hold people's attention or not, but very fortunately, the show went on to be one of the highest TRP grosses for the channel, and it did fantastically well. And along with that, it brought about a complete 360-degree turn in our lives also. So life definitely changed after that. And today, of course, wherever I go, people know me. There's a lot of love. There's a lot of name, fame, and of course, some moolah also came in along. So, but yes, it's been a fantastic journey. And I'm grateful to God for having given me this opportunity to experience something like this,
That's simply wonderful what you just shared. So, Pankaj ji, please बताइए आपके ये school के बारे में, this culinary school that you're running. This is in Lucknow.
Yes, it is in Lucknow. You can see it right behind me. That's part of our kitchen.
Okay.
Right? So, after I won Master Chef, the question was, what next? Right, because I had 2 teenage kids and I couldn't see myself going and working somewhere, in a 5-star hotel maybe, because at that point of time, Lucknow did not have too many hotels. There were just 1, I guess, or 2. Right. So then we decided I'm going to combine both my passions, for cooking as well as for teaching. And we decided we'll come up with a culinary academy that should be unique in its own way. And when we started, I am very proud to say we were one of a kind in the entire state. Right. So, and we've had so many students passing out every year. We run 3 professional batches for cookery and 1 for bakery every day. So that is every year, of course. And most of our students get placement in all the best of the 5-star properties in Lucknow, outside Lucknow, even abroad. So it's a matter of great pride for me that we've been able to achieve what we really wanted to do.
That's awesome, Pankaj ji. So with this pandemic, the service industry has to follow new norms now. All of a sudden, online food delivery portals have sprouted. So, what do you think? Will this give rise to new excellence?
uh, Online food delivery portals have not sprouted all of a sudden. They've always been there, Rashi. It's just that they have more business coming their way. So somebody's loss has definitely been somebody's gain. So while dining in has gone out of vogue for the simple reason people are afraid to venture out, somehow they are trusting these people who fetch the food to their houses, and because they know they can microwave it and ensure that it is safe to consume that way. So these online food portals, as far as excellence is concerned, some of them, yes, do try to maintain good quality, and when they do, they definitely have an increase in number of customers who order from them. And the good part is many housewives and home bakers, have all of a sudden found a platform to, share their talent. And they are doing very good work because you are ensured, somewhere you are assured that they're going to give you good quality. So people like to order from them. And they don't mind paying, even if it is a little more than, what they would get outside, for the simple reason that excellence and quality is what they believe in. So, yes, some excellence has come in. Some, all of us have become very hygiene conscious, right? Even the smallest of stall owners, the smallest of vendors, you will see them being very, very conscious as far as their, hygiene is concerned, which is very good for all of us. Excellent for all of us. And street food vendors as well, they are taking good care of how the levels of hygiene that they are maintaining. So yes, I believe it definitely has helped us as far as definitely has helped to increase the excellence levels. सीधी सी बात है, people are now aware, and when there is awareness, there definitely is more concern, and whenever there is more concern, concerns do get taken care of.
100%. What you just said, that is just right, ma'am. So, Pankajji, please share some immunity building tips, especially with the COVID around, just 2 of them directly from the kitchen.
I think we all sit on something that is a diamond in itself, although it shines like gold, and that is turmeric. Turmeric is one of the best immunity boosters you will ever find. It cleanses your body inside out. And haldi wala garam doodh is a very good immunity booster, right? I think which everybody can have very easily. It is not expensive. It is not difficult to get. It is there in everybody's kitchen. So I guess this is one thing all of us can definitely switch to. And another thing that I think all of us must try and follow as far as immunity is concerned is eat fresh. Eat fresh. And by fresh, I mean, even if you have to cook small portions every day, but ensure that your families, especially during this season, Rashi. So fresh food should be encouraged. And there's another very good immunity booster all of us have at home, and that is tulsi. है ना, तुलसी का पौधा तो सबके घर में होता है. तो I think if you are doing a kara with tulsi and adrak and long and dalchini, right? These are very good immunity boosters for you. So I think these are 2 very inexpensive, very easily available immunity boosters that all of us can switch over to immediately.
That was very insightful, Pankajji. So is it the love for food that keeps you going, or the idea of getting to explore new dishes, new items that excites you?
Of course, there is the love for food that keeps me going. It goes without saying. And yes, the idea that it gives me the opportunity to, explore so many new things, new cultures, because I travel a lot, right? Just before COVID hit India, I was in Japan, and at that time we could see on the television how China, and it was all over the news, and my friends, they were telling me all about it. So fortunately, it hadn't come to India by then. So, but what has happened is I now have the opportunity to not just go to a particular restaurant, say a Japanese restaurant, and try Japanese food there, or go to a Chinese restaurant and try authentic Chinese or something like that. But my travels give me the opportunity to actually go and enjoy things for what they are, or not just that. It also gives me, as you said, the opportunity to try out new things in my own kitchen as well. We are fortunate that today we have so much available to us. Rashi, when I started out in the kitchen, ingredients would not be easily available. When I moved to Lucknow from Delhi, I had 2 huge cartons, full of food colors, food essences, this, that, molds, my oven, my different equipments. Yes. And every time somebody would be going to Delhi, I would be telling them, Essex Farm se mere liye yahan se ye wale tumko sausages lane hain, yahan se ye ham leke aana hai. And anybody who would be going to Delhi would carry a long list of Pankaj ki, requirements with them. So, but the good part is today, everything is available everywhere for all of us. So, I guess that is what makes me happy. And now I'm able to explore new things, try out new things. I just don't have to read, "Arey yaar, ye wala mushroom, enoki mushroom yahan nahi milta. Arey koi baat nahi, aane market se utha lana please mere liye." Right? That way. So, exploring new things, trying them out, I guess that's what keeps me happy and going. And I think more important is the smile that I see on my family's face, or on my customers' face, or on my students' face who try out things with me, when they enjoy what has been done. So that spark in the eye, I guess that is the greatest of motivators. That is the greatest of I should say. That's what keeps me happy and makes me go on.
That's lovely. And I think the way you're explaining, it's getting a spark to my eyes also, ma'am. So, when this pandemic came and, India was none of us were prepared, and people have actually lost their jobs. A lot of food service businesses have gone down. A lot of chefs are sitting at home, and it especially for this industry, it's not that good a scene. What encouraging message would you, as Pankaj Bhadoria, want to send across to all those people?
Look, one thing that I would like to emphasize on is that every tunnel has an end, right? And there's always light at the end of the tunnel, right? And all these people have something which nobody can take away from them, and that's a talent, right? And things may not be very easy right now, but who said life has to be easy? There are ups and downs always, and this is what you will see. So it's just that for an industry which you used to take pride that even during the greatest of depressions, we were the ones who were, flourishing. Unfortunately, there has come a time. So yes, but as I said, wait for the light at the end of the tunnel. It is there.
I think that would be really encouraging for many people who are connected with us, especially as SMEs, the small businesses, they are having, and all their businesses are halted because of service industry is not doing that well.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, and now this is a very personal question that I want to ask you. Can you share with everyone your favorite dish?
My favorite dish, that's very difficult, Rashi, because I enjoy food for what it is, So to say that this is a personal favorite or this is not a favorite is very difficult for me. But I do have a sweet tooth. So enjoy gorging on all dishes sweet, everything that is sweet. And otherwise, right from a khichdi to a biryani, I enjoy eating everything.
That's lovely. one magical tip you would like to share with the, especially the home-based, chefs who are moms and who are cooking at home? One tip.
Okay, so this is one tip that I learned and I share with everybody, and that is what makes food good or excellent is the right seasoning. Okay? Even an ordinary moong ki dal with an ordinary jeera ka tadka can be excellent if it has been seasoned correctly. So ensure that your food is seasoned correctly, right? That will make all the difference to your food. अच्छी से अच्छी बिरयानी में भी अगर नमक डालना भूल गए तो वो बेकार है ना? So that seasoning has to be correct, the right amount, na zyada na kam. And to take this a little further, what I have learned is कि हर मीठी चीज में एक चुटकी नमक और हर नमकीन चीज में एक चुटकी चीनी. It acts as a taste enhancer, right? So this is very, very important, and I always advise everybody to follow this blindly, and you see the difference in the taste of your food.
Many people in the hospitality business, food service industry are facing many challenges due to COVID. Chefs have lost their jobs, and it is very sad. We are really thankful to Pankaj Bhadauria ji to support our initiative, Be the Help.